Okay, now we're in this little corner, and you can see these little chevrons that are growing marsh on your map. Can you just go? See that? They're right here in the corner. And so you see examples of these. This was the very first large-scale coastal restoration project, and it was done by NOAA, not the Old Testament biblical patriarch, the government organization. And so these are examples of, again, I talked about that this is a land of balance and subtlety, the subtlety being literally inches of sediment makes the difference between where their plants can live, and it's subtle in terms of salinity. So you can see what is being mimicked here we have sand that was deposited in these chevron formations, which are natural, and then the sediment from the bayou comes in here, it's captured enough, plants grow, because there's plants here, they capture the sediments again, and you have marsh building. So this is an example of artificial marsh. It's artificial in that we've structured this where the start was, but it's natural in terms of it's using these sediments. The other thing you notice is how calm it is.
Yeah.
Part of that's because we stopped driving, but the second part is because these marshes provide natural buffers and barriers to that wave action. And so as we go through here, you can feel it, actually, that this is calming. In other areas that we've been, the water's been very choppy, and that's the kind of the other piece of this. So this is just a stop so you can see one of those first projects, and it's all around us, the marshes.
So I showed these pictures when I was in your apartment, Allison. What you would see if you were in the air are these L's. You would see these series of L's, and they look like terraces. There's just lines of them. They're all parallel, and what happens is that marshland builds up in between them. So they really are. When we talk about chevrons, they're L's or V's, and if you were looking down on it, you would just see this parallel series of them.
And we all remember from the film how the deltas form, and it's the same kind of triangle shape that we talked about. So this is some of the first attempts to mimic some of this, and we've tried, we being all of us as a country, to do different shapes, and it really is the L that is working here. So this just is an example.
So for scale, how big is this? I mean, what are we looking at here? How long, how big is one of these chevrons?
Well, that's a good question. What would you say, Kevin?
Probably
This area?
50 to 75 wide.
So I would,
And were they dredged up, like you said, the chevrons were like
Thousand
long.
yards long?
They're dredged up out of the...
10 football fields long and a football field wide. So that's your L. And there are, how many of these?
there's probably 30 here.
30 of those,
And you can see all.
just to get a sense of scale.
And when did NOAA do this? What years?
This was some in the, what would you say? Talking about the 90s here. So this is all new.
Maybe.
Right.
But no, is it a good thing?
Yes, this absolutely. It has everything, because this is not about super manipulating this environment. This is about letting this environment
This is like
heal
planting
itself.
seeds. These
Right.
are just seedlings, and everything grows up around them.
And
All the bar areas where they made it have already filled back in. You can't even tell where they actually took the sediment from to build it.
So in your lifetime, you've seen
Oh, yes, ma'am.
a change from